Hello dear students. Today we will discuss about the weekly test, that is test number 2 of class 8 of subject English. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, you can see a poster here, and let's examine the poster. Here you can see this picture about the plant a tree. Next, waste sorting. Here you can see a fish save ocean. Now here you can see bad for animals and birds. What is bad? This is plastic. So the main topic is ban plastic. Here upside you can see don't use single use. Don't use single use. Okay. Then use recyclable bags. To whom we can recycle, use that bags. So no. Okay. Here we have examined the poster given in the question paper. So let's start our first question. What can we do to save our environment? What can we do? Okay, we can do pluck the flowers, no. Use plastic, no. Plant more trees, no. Yes, we can use plant more trees. We can plant more trees. Here in the poster you can also see plant a tree. Here the question is formed. Second, so second question, dash should be used. A, recyclable material. B, single use plastic. C, non-recyclable material. D, none of these. What should we use? We should recyclable material. Here you can see in the poster also. Okay, so answer is option A. Option A, recyclable material. So our next question is, so move to further question. Question number 3, don't throw dash waste in the ocean. Which material we should not throw in the ocean? We shouldn't throw plastic material in the ocean. Option D. Eating polythene is very dash for animals. Eating polythene is what for animals? Harmless, no. Harmful, no. Non-toxic, no. Non-toxic, no. D, safe, no. If all answer are no, then what is the right answer? You can see right answer is it's very harmful. This is the right answer. So proceed to next question. The given poster is regarding, this poster you can see upside. This poster is regarding what? This is regarding ban on plastic. We should not use plastic. So this poster is about ban of plastic. Here you can see the options. Plastic use, ban plastic. Okay, option B is the right answer. This poster is about ban plastic. We should ban plastic. So students, next question is, read the following conversation and choose the correct answers. Here is a dialogue between shopkeeper and customer. Customer, what is the rate of kaju barfi? Shopkeeper, rupees 600 per kg, sir. Customer, pack half a kg for me. Shopkeeper, in a minute, sir. Customer, but you have weighed less than half a kg. Shopkeeper, don't worry, sir. You will have less weight to carry. Customer, oh, thank you for a good piece of advice. Shopkeeper, well, I am here to do good to my customers, sir. Customer, here's your money. Shopkeeper, but it's less money, sir. Customer, don't worry. You will have to count less money. Shopkeeper, but that's not fair. Customer, I am simply following your advice, sir. So tit for tat you can see here. What did the customer do? As the shopkeeper did. So move to the questions out of this conversation. The first question is, what did the customer want to buy? We know the customer wanted to buy a Kaju Barfi. Option C. How much Kaju Barfi did the customer want to buy? He wanted to buy half a kg of Kaju Barfi. Option B. Third, what was the price of Kaju Barfi per kg? The price of Kaju Barfi per kg was 600. Question number 4. What type of man was the shopkeeper? As we know, he weighed less than the demanded barfi, so he was a dishonest person. Shopkeeper was a dishonest man. Option B. Fifth, what type of man was the customer? Customer was an intelligent person. Option A. He gave less money to the shopkeeper in return of less weight Kaju Barfi. So next you can see, students, there are attempt 23 question answers, and in question number 4 read the stanza and answer the 2 questions. This is out of poetry. You can do yourself with the help of your class teacher and English teacher. So we will solve next portion. This is choose the correct option for translation. This is translation from English to Punjabi. Any 3, what we will do? All. Okay. First, they were all very happy. They were all very happy. Oh, सारे बहुत खुश सन. Were sun. Option A is right answer. Next, the king looked at Gopal. राजे ने गोपाल नू देखा. Looked, second form, देखा. Next, we are really very sorry. सानू really very sorry, बहुत अफसोस है. सानू बहुत अफसोस है. Option number 3 is the right answer. Next, please forgive us. कृपा करके सानू की कर दो, माफ कर दो. कौन सी ऑप्शन है? यू कैन सी है कृपा करके सानू माफ कर दो. ऑप्शन ए. Next, Gopal was clever and witty. Gopal चलाक अते मजाकिया सी. First option you can see here. Gopal बहुत ही चलाक अते मजाकिया सी. This is not right answer because बहुत ही in the English it's not written very. So option number 4 is right answer because Gopal was चलाक and मजाकिया. You can see clever and witty upside. Okay बेटा जी. Next, choose the correct option for translation from English to Punjabi. Any 3, what we will do all the 5. First one is, मैनू तुहाडे ते मान है. I am proud of you. You can see options yourself, but I will help you a little bit. Option number 3 is right. Next, का पूरी तरह हरा है. The grass is quite green. Option B. First option you can see the grass is green. It means का green, का हरा है. पूरी तरह मतलब quite green. So option B is right answer. पानी साफ है. The water is clean. Option B. मैं रोजाना स्कूल जांदा हाँ. I go to school daily. I go to school daily. मेरे पिताजी बाजार जाणगे. My father will. जाणगे will. My father will go to the market. Option A is right answer. So next you can see, students, complete the paragraph of school library with the help of the outlines given below. This you can do yourself. I know very well you are very intelligent. All with the help of your class teacher or English teacher. Dialogue writing, this also you can do yourself. So we will do only objective type or grammatically portion ahead. Eighth portion, do as directed. Choose the correct option to determine which part of the speech the underlined word belong to. Okay. Part A, 1. Ram is a faithful boy. Ram is a faithful boy. Okay, faithful is what? Faithful is a quality of the boy. Ram is what? Ram is faithful. This is the quality of Ram, means this is an adjective. Ram is a faithful, so it is a quality of Ram. This is adjective. Taj is a beautiful building. Taj is what? Building. Building means this is a name of a building. So name means noun. Building is what? Noun. Right answer is noun. So next you can see, fill in the blank with the suitable possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Okay. You must listen to the advice of dash parents. You. Possessive of you is yours. So right answer is your. You must listen to the advice of your parents. Okay. Right answer is your. Next beta ji, what is the type of underlined determiner in the following sentence? Type of determiner. Underline determiner. ठीक है. We love our country. We love our country. Our means possessive. Yours is also possessive, but here you can see answer is possessive. That belongs to us. This is possessive. We love our country. So students, this was all about the solution of the question paper of class 8th subject English held on 11th of January 2021. I hope you understood it very well. If there is any doubt, then write in comment box. And how many questions of yours were right or wrong, please mention in the comment box also with your name and your school name. So friends, this was all about the video, and if you liked the video, then subscribe the channel and like, share and comment here, and press the bell icon also, so that you can get a notification for every new video on this topic. And so till then, see you, take care, bye, meet you soon.